Today I am going to present the topic efficacy of Indian classical raga, Vrindavana Saranga, which can induce euphoria. Music as a companion. When words fail, music speaks. Music is the shorthand of emotion, and we totally believe it. Music plays a vital role to portray your emotions. Everyone have their ups, downs, struggles, conflicts, and many more things that give us hard and beautiful times in life to cherish, wherein music can hold on to you as a companion and stress buster, especially during these hard times. Why it is called the best companion? Music has the universal power to drag you from any situations. Music can help you to heal your sorrows and can make you happy. It is the best companion in solitude. People, irrespective of age, who feel alone, sad, and melancholic, they feel being relaxed by listening to music of their preference and thus becomes the best therapist. Music and mood. Music can make us feel uplifted, contented, and can improve our health. Music is a universal language. Music makes you happier and less anxious and gives you energy. Music has a positive effect on your mood. People who begin their days with songs attain positive energy and spend the rest of the day with renewed energy and show signs of happiness. On the surface, music provides consolation to the person who is recovering from a tough phase. Because of our unique experiences, we develop different musical tastes and preferences. Listening to our favorite songs will make us happy. Music can affect our mood in many ways. This is because of the rhythm and tone. The rhythm of the music can affect the brain directly, causing a state of alertness with faster tempo and relaxation or medication with slower tempo. When we listen to joyful music, the brain releases dopamine, which makes us feel happy. These are all correlated, raga, rasa, and mood. Then next one is raga and rasa. Raga is a unique set of selected notes. It provides immense creative potential for improvisation and thus can have various effects. Ragas have certain specific rasas or aesthetics or essence which impress the listeners irrespective of the lyrics. The rasa of a raga may change with the shift in emphasis on notes, thus producing multiple effects. Raga is meant to inspire pure emotion in the minds of those who listen to it. The art of Indian classical music is based on the concept of Navarasa. Among the Navarasa, Shrinkara, Karuna, Shanta, Veera, Hasya, and Albhuda are mainly used in music, and they also added to Bhakti Rasa and Shoka Rasa. Bibalsa and Bhayanaka Rasas are usually used in dance performances. Indian ragas are suitable for emotional healing in conditions such as anxiety, stress, depression. Rasanubhava and experience through music has a psychological basis. The concept of rasa forms one of the fundamental concepts of Indian aesthetics. In Indian music, rasas play a vital role. When the raga expresses the proper rasa, then the soul of music is revealed in all its beauty. Let us try a few ragas. The first one is Karuna Rasa, that's compassion. That's the composition in Shyama Raga. Manasa Sancharare Brahmani Manasa Sancharare Manasihi Pincha Alankrita Chikure Mahaniya Kapole Mridu Chikure Manasa Sancharare. This is Karuna Rasa. Next one is Albhuda. Madhava Lokana Nonam Mama Kodaya Nidanam Madhava Lokana Nonam Mama Kodaya Nidanam Anyadha Kadhamavata Sambadevam Amita Madhava. This is Albhuda in Jaunpuri Raga. Next one is Shanta, that is peace, tranquility. That is set in Pilu Raga. Raghavam Karunakaram Bhayanashanam Duritapaham Raghavam Karunakaram Bhayanashanam Duritapaham Madhavam Madhusudanam Purushottamam Parameshwaram Raghavam. This is Shanta. Next one is Raudra. Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho 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 Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho. Next one is Shokarasa. That's a sad music, sad raga set in Bihag. There's a bhajan by Surtas. Akhiya Hari darshan ki pyasi, 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 Akhiya Hari darshan ki pyasi. These are a few examples for the Navarasas. Then if you experience the particular rasa in each raga, That is the result of rasanubhava. Raga is a thought, emotion, and beauty. Next one is the highlight of the topic, euphoria. It's a state of happiness. Euphoria can occur as a result of dancing to music, music making, and listening to emotionally arousing music. Neuroimaging studies have demonstrated that the reward system plays a central role in mediating music-induced pleasure. Pleasurable, emotionally arousing music strongly increases dopamine neurotransmission. Different genre of songs induce different types of emotions. The modern day music apps in our gadgets provide us various categories of songs according to the activities that one can relate in day-to-day life. Example, driving, gym, etc. In apps like Spotify, Gaana, Saavn, Amazon Prime Music are some examples. In the previous meeting, Shwetaji said to avoid sad music. Let us listen to happy ragas. These are some of the ragas which can induce euphoria. There are so many ragas there in Carnatic music. I have selected only 4. Dhanashri, Abheri, Kapi.
Ma'am, we are not able to see the presentation, ma'am. Can you please get the presentation back?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have to minimize. This one.
Yes, it's back. Thank you. Yes, it's visible. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. These are the ragas I have selected today. Dhanashri, Abheri, Kapi, and Vrindavana Saranga. There are so many ragas which can evoke different emotions. All the 4 ragas mentioned here are Janya ragas of 22nd Mela Karhara Priya. Janya ragas are derived from the fundamental set of 72 Melakarta ragas in Carnatic music. Dhanashri raga, there is a Tillana composed by Swati Tirunal. I'll just sing a few lines. गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नाद्रकेट तोम राचर गोरे तापिता तै तते तिरह तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नाद्रकेट तोम नाचर गोरे तापिता तै तते तिरह तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम बाज पायल कहो जनन जनन बाज पायल कहो जनन 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 धूम जनन 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 तोम जनन 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 गीत धुनि कुतक धीम धुनि कुतक धीम धुनि कुतक धीम. Next one in the list is Abheri. There is a famous composition by Tyagaraja Swami. Nagumomu. Nagumomu ganaleni najani telisi. Nagumomu ganaleni najani తెలిసి నన్ను బ్రోవ రాధా శ్రీ రఘువరని నగు మోగనలేని And there is a film song, old one in Tamil. Shinkaravellani deva, Shinkaravellani deva, அருள் ஷீராடும் மார்போடு வா சிங்கார வேலனே தேவா. I think all of you enjoying the next one.
Yes, ma'am, we are enjoying.
Yeah, thank you. Next one is
Yes, ma'am. Very nice singing. Very nice singing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Next one in the list is Kapi Raga. Jagadodharana Adishidala Shoda Jagadodharana Adishidala Shoda Jagadodharana.
Really nice, ma'am.
Thank you. Finally, we are coming to today's raga, Brindavana Saranga. Brindavana Saranga is a Janya raga derived from the 22nd Mela Karahara Priya, a pleasing and emotional raga, a gentle, emotionally appealing raga. It is used mainly for minor compositions and bhajans. Minor raga capable of giving a tranquilizing effect. The emotional effect of raga is determined by the frequencies of the notes that form the tune and on its Jivaswara, Nyasaswaras, Gamakas and Brigas. Every raga comes with a different form of feeling. In Carnatic music, the Gamakas and Brigas play a major role in bringing out the emotion of raga. The oscillation or shaking of a particular note or swara is referred to as Gamaka. Briga, fast or speedy rendition of a particular phrase is called Briga. Then Jivaswaras, what's Jivaswara? Swaras which lend life to a particular raga. In Brindavana Saranga, the swaras Ri, Ma, Ni. These are the Jivaswaras, and Nyasaswaras are, Nyasa means settling down. Swaras which end smoothly at the completion of a phrase or compositions. There are two versions of the same raga, that is Brindavana Saranga. Brindavana Saranga and Brindavani. In Hindustani, I think it is Brindavani raga, Brindavani Saranga. The Arohana Avarohana comes like this. Sare ma pani sa Sai ni pa ma re ga re sa. This is Vrindavana Saranga. In Vrindavani, there will not be Gandhara, but the two Nishada will be there. That is Sare ma pa ni sa, sa ne pa ma re sa na. That is Vrindavani. Both the Nishadas come. Re ma pa ni ni sa ri ni sa pa ma pa ni sa ni pa ma re ga re. That is Vrindavana Saranga, because Ga comes there, Gandhara. Ni sa re ma pa ni ni sa. Ni sa re ma pa ni ni sa. Can you guess the song? This is very old Hindi song. The swaras come this film song. Ni sa re ma pa ni ni sa. सावन आए या न आए, जिया जब झूमे सावन है। सावन आए या न आए, जिया जब झूमे सावन है। सावन आए. Another example is a composition, very famous composition by Muthuswami Dikshidhar, Renkapura Vihara, and the Raga Mudra also comes in the Anupallavi. Anupallavi of the composition, we can see the Raga Mudra, Vrindavana Saranga. Renkapura Vihara, Sri Renkapura Vihara, Jaya Kodanda Ramavatar Raghuvira Shri Renkapura Vihara. The Anupallavi, Angaja Janaka Deva, Gaja Janaka Deva Vrindavana Saranga Dravaratamanda Ranga Shamalanga Vihanga Turanga Sadaya Pala Sansanga Renkapura Vihara. The composition also we can see the Gamaka Prayoga and Briga Prayoga, all are in this composition. Next one I selected is a Tillana and Vrindavani Raga, composed by Dr. Balamuli Krishna. Dhim tanana tillana tillana nadradhim, nadradhim nadradhim nadradhim, tanana tillana tillana nadradhim, nadradhim nadradhim nadradhim, tanana tillana tillana nadradhim, tadhim nadradhim nadradhim nadradhim, nadradhim nadradhim nadradhim, धीम तना तरिकिडजं तकिडजं तजं तजं ततजं ततकिडं तकिडजं तरितनत्र धीम तना तरिकिडजं तकिडजं तजं तजं ततजं तकिडं तकिडजं तरितनत्र धीम तननतिल्लनतिल्लाननदृदीं नदृदीं 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 तननतिल्लनतिल्लाननदृदीं तदीं नादृदीं 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 And next one is a bhajan composed by Swati Tirunal Maharaja. चलिए कुंज नमो तुम हम मिले श्याम हरि चलिए कुंज नमो तुम हम मिले श्याम हरि हरि चलिए कुंज नमो देखो जमुना बही सुंदर रे को जमुना रे बही सुंदर अति नीर भरी देखो जमुना रे बही सुंदर अति नीर भरी हरि चलिए कुंज नमो छोड़िए कैसे मोखू में तो छोड़िए कैसे मोखू में तो तेरो हाथ धरी तेरो हाथ धरी सुनिए कोयल के बोले सुनिए कोयल के बोले पिया क्या कह रही पिया क्या कह रही हरि चलिए कुंज नमो तुम हम मिले श्याम हरि हरि चलिए 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 कुंज These are the songs of today's.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
then I request you to kindly summarize in a few minutes.
Yeah,
Because we
yeah.
are running short of time.
Sure. Yeah. Music is medication, the elixir of life. It is for injection into the bloodstream to take away the pain, to promote euphoria, to adrenalize us and give us courage and fortitude. Although music therapy may be subjective to musical preferences, it has the potential to become specialized to the individual needs of each patient. ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. May God protect us both together. May God nourish us both together. May we work co-jointly with great energy. May our study be vigorous and effective. May we not mutually dispute. Let there be peace. Let there be peace in my environment. Let there be peace in the forces that action. Thank you so much.